Alright, this training is on how to use our VPS. I'll put the login and password below, but what you want to do is type in RDP. It's called remote desktop. And once you're here, you want to enter the IP address that I've given you here. This is should be the one, and it could change. I might have a different server. And then once you hit connect, it's gonna ask you to change this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and maybe change this real quick. I don't know, just so I could kind of show you what to do next. Let's go like that, because usually this wouldn't be there. Okay. And once you hit connect, it'll say, oh, you know, you need to log in, and this could be your name, but once you want to hit more choices, and then you actually want to type in like administrator, and you only have to do this once. And then I'll give you the password that's in there. Hit remember me, and then you don't have to do it anymore. All you do is click on it next time, and it'll lock you right in. Okay. And then this, you should be able to see the login to VPN, and then I've set it so that the proxy is set so that you can use Firefox or whatever. See, I set the proxy here. So this is a Texas IP address. Even though this is located in a different country, you can then log into Frederick. Okay, and I think you can log in either or. I don't think it should be a problem. But maybe there should be multiple logins kind of thing, so maybe I don't know, you should probably only log in with one, so I might just delete this one here. Just log in with Firefox. Every time you do it with this one, it always keeps asking for CAPTCHA, and you can only log in one at a time, so you can't have multiple browsers at the same time, otherwise they'll cancel you. So let's do that. Alright, then you can start searching, and you can only search here, so you need to go back to your own desktop. Just pull that down, you can go back to your own desktop. Okay, and that's basically it. Okay, so that's how you use the VPN. Any questions, message me directly. I'll talk to you then. And then once you're done, make sure you close it. Only one person can log in the VPN at a time, so if there's a dedicated researcher, they'll probably do that. But you probably have to coordinate, say, hey, I need to use it real quick. Someone logs off, and someone logs back in. Use it, and then turn off. Okay. There's also tools. Any tool that you see here is you can use. Mind maps, eDraw. I'll have some plans for this later, and we'll talk about it then. Thanks.